Wanting to start your own business, but you're scared that you're going to fail or that you're not going to succeed. I think that's the most relevant fear for most people, that they are venturing into the unknown and they're not sure if they're going to succeed. With the Legacy Builders program, I can help you to start up your own digital marketing business, and you will have a proven blueprint that you will follow that will help you and assist you step by step. You will have an automated website that will assist with your customers, and you will get training on a daily basis. As well, there's a community of people here in South Africa or wherever you are in the world that are there to help you and to assist you. Should you be interested in taking this chance, or to find out more, in the comment section down below, leave me a comment, show me, and I'll get you all the relevant information for you to make an informed decision about this and to better your future.